Barbara asks, I'm a cosmetologist from Missouri who plans to start my own business next year. What lasers can I legally operate in my state for tattoo removal, hair removal, photofacial, resurfacing, CoolSculpting, etc.?
Okay, what state again, Erica?
Missouri. Missouri.
I used to hang out in St. Louis, Missouri when I was in high school days at a place called Creve Coeur. I used to play tennis there. My cousin lived there. But anyway, it gets hot there. It's humid and there's mosquitoes, but that's a different topic. Okay, so to answer your question, you're pretty much good to go. It's not like a state says you can do these lasers, but you can't do these. It's more like you can or can't do lasers. You can or can't do injections. So for example, the state of New Jersey, you have to be a doctor to fire laser. It's kind of crazy, which isn't a big deal because somebody lives in Jersey, they drive across the bridge to Manhattan or Brooklyn, 15, 20-minute drive. In California, you have to be a nurse to do technology. So there's some quirky laws in some states, but most states like Missouri, like Arizona, other places, doesn't matter. You can pretty much use any technology you want. The best brands in the country, there's a lot of good brands out there, but the tier 1 brands, if you want to write this down for any of you guys who are interested, tier 1 brands for technology, whether it's laser hair removal, photofacial, tattoo removal, body content, blah, blah, blah. Tier 1 brands, Lumenis, Lumenis. That was definitely amazing. Tier 1 brand, Candela, Candela, tier 1 brand. Cartessa, Cartessa, tier 1 brand. And now Allergan's the technology game. Allergan has CoolSculpting and Cool Tone and Diamond Glow. So Allergan is up there too. So I'd say those 4 companies are like amazing. You can't go wrong with technology, customer service, competitive pricing. And I'm not saying there's other good ones out there, but if I don't sell equipment, you guys, but if you ever want a recommendation that's objective, no bullshit, pros and cons, just send me a DM on Instagram or Facebook at Lewis the Laser Guy. I'll happily give you my objective 2 cents. And it's important, you guys, anytime you're buying something, I hate to say this, but don't ever listen to the person that's selling it. I hate to say it. I mean, do your own homework. Even if you're buying education, don't listen to me because I'm of course going to say, yeah, I'm the best. It's National Laser. Go talk to 1,000 people that have taken the class before and get feedback. So same thing with equipment. Find people like me and other people that will not make money selling you something, get third-party feedback. For example, right behind Erica on her background, she has Louology and it says Revelana. And for those of you guys that don't know what that is, we've created a software that's the first affordable, amazing med spa software for people that are starting a business. Maybe a new nurse injector, a new laser tech, a new med spa, because we kept hearing again and again and again, I can't afford this $1,000 a month thing and I'm not getting that feature. So we created this amazing product. But we're going through a beta testing right now where Erica's running these beta testing, I think like 15, 20 people to get any kinks out. But I would say, okay, don't listen to me. I know it's the best thing out there, but don't listen to me. Once these people do their beta test, go talk to them, see how they like it, see what it's costing them, see how it's improved their business. So I'm a big believer, you guys, in third-party feedback to validate a decision if you're going to spend some money, as we all do. We all look at reviews online on Yelp and Google. And when I travel, you guys now, hotel, vacation, whatever, I go on something I think called tripadvisor.com because it's the people that are talking. It's like, okay, 10 million people said this is the best hotel and this is the best thing to do. It's not TripAdvisor telling me what's hot because they're making a kickback. You know what I'm saying?